Architecture and design has the ability to create a better world, and I absolutely want to be part of that. Hi, I'm architect Will Ruhl, and welcome to my own house in Rockport, Mass, which we call Gap Cove House. And that's just because outside is Gap Cove. This location seemed like a nice, safe place for our family to enjoy for the rest of our lives. Our intention was to design a net zero house, and we used solar panels to help us achieve that goal. The house is covered in copper shingles on 3 of its 4 sides, and the purpose of that was both to protect the house from storms, but also it's meant to patina to a soft greenish-gray to match the color of the lichen on the rocks. And when we get nor'easters in the winter, it's quite exciting here. The existing house was a little ranch house. With rising sea levels, we were required to raise the house 4 feet, but we actually raised the house 6 feet. The goal was to get this wonderful outdoor living space on the ground floor of the house. When my grandchildren are here, it's complete mayhem downstairs, and we have an awful lot of fun down there. Once you come in the front door, there's light coming from the main stairs. You come up the stairs and the house explodes into light. This is the heart of the house. We entertain our grandchildren and our daughters. There's a wall of glass. All you can see is ocean in front of you. One of the ways we made this space feel bigger is that 2-story high wall covered in polycarbonate panels. And one of the benefits of that is that we get some afternoon borrowed light from skylights that face due west. I decided to open up the original structure, the original attic. The image was almost like the belly of a whale. The main living space is one big open space. I picked every piece of furniture in this room largely because of the character of the individual pieces. The sofa is very modern, but also it's got a quilted texture which looks very old. The rocking chairs are just shockingly comfortable despite being built of hard material. The armchair, it's a modern wing chair. It's one of the most comfortable chairs you'll ever sit in, but it's also a beautiful sculptural piece. The light over the table was meant to be almost like a creature from the sea. We wanted the kitchen to blend into the overall living space, and then there's a big stone island where we hang out. I love this particular stone because its patterning almost evokes seaweed. And the cabinets that are above the kitchen windows are frosted and reflect views of the ocean. I wanted the stair to be as light and delicate as possible. I designed it in a way that you can actually see the ocean through it. And the whole pattern in the railing is evocative of dappled sunlight on water. At the top of the stairs is a gangplank, and like the stair itself, it's also very light. On either side of it is a bedroom, which was really the only requirement that my wife had for the house, that it have a ton of small bedrooms. Our bedroom is also relatively small. We don't want to waste any space, but we created a new window to open up views of the ocean from our bed. We split the bathroom into 2 parts, a sink on one side and a washroom on the other. And we designed one wall to have a bifolding door which opens into a small courtyard that brings natural light and air into the shower. I really hope you enjoyed taking a look at how we turned an old ranch-style house into a sustainably designed, modern family home on the ocean. It's warm, inviting, and truly built for a changing world. Thank you.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.